I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change VW Passat brake pads. First, gather your essential tools, including a jack, lug wrench, and your new brake pads. Make sure your Passat is on a level surface and securely supported with jack stands for safety. Then, carefully remove the wheel to gain access to the brake caliper assembly. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe process. Now, let's get those old pads out. Begin by loosening the two caliper bolts, then carefully remove the entire caliper assembly. You might need to compress the caliper piston using a C-clamp or a dedicated piston compression tool. Once the piston is retracted, you can easily slide the worn brake pads out of their mounting brackets. Remember to work gently. With the old pads removed, it's time for the new ones. First, clean the caliper and mounting brackets to remove any debris. Apply a thin layer of brake grease to the contact points where the pads sit. Carefully insert the new brake pads into the caliper bracket. Finally, reinstall the caliper and tighten the bolts to the manufacturer's specified torque. Double-check everything. You're almost done. After reinstalling the wheel, pump the brake pedal several times until it feels firm. This resets the caliper piston. Check your brake fluid reservoir and add fluid if it's below the minimum line. For other great deals and to check out the Owala water bottle, see the link in the description. Finally, take your Passat for a short, slow test drive to ensure the brakes are working correctly and safely. Listen for any unusual noises.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.